Hey everybody, Jason here, Barry Harley-Davidson. Just wanted to take a moment to introduce our latest promotion. Starting today and for a limited time, you can save 15% off of any aftermarket or Harley-Davidson branded audio and LED lighting accessories when installed through our service department. So if you want to take advantage of that amazing promotion we have to offer, feel free to give our service department a shout and book your appointment today. As I'm sure you might have noticed in the previous video, there is an abundance of lighting on this motorcycle. Absolutely every piece of lighting and sound equipment that is made for this year, make, and model of motorcycle has been installed on this motorcycle. As you can see in the front end, we do have LED windshield strip light. We have electrical lighting in the fairing vent. We obviously have the outer fairing LED light. Your whole front end is completely LED, including an adaptive headlight which adjusts as you're on the fly and when you turn corners. Amazing fog lights to light up that ground. This motorcycle also has, as you can see, turn signals built right into the mirrors. Now this motorcycle particularly has a stage 2 boom audio, stereo, and amplifier upgrade. This motorcycle has 8 speakers, 4 amplifiers, and each individual speaker, as you've seen in the video that we shot earlier, has a set of LED electric glow lighting built right into the speakers. This machine lights up also around the engine, underneath the frame, underneath the actual floorboards. The opportunities for this motorcycle are endless. In the back end of the motorcycle, we do have a lit up tour pack air wing. We have saddlebag lights, filler strip lights. We have a tri-bar facial light, and we also have an LED run turn brake license plate frame. So when you turn a corner, you hit your signal, even your license plate lights up. If any of these accessories whatsoever are appealing to you, please give our parts department a shout. We'd be happy to break down what's available for your motorcycle and really give you an idea of fitment for your year, make, and model. Any questions, give us a shout.